What up, guys? El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. We have Mr. Blake here. All right, made it to the show, and he's actually one of our presidents out of Atlanta for an Excel app. So tell me a little bit about the app. What made you join? What made you become a president of the app?
So I'll tell you what made me join was I actually went down to Florida.
Yes,
I got
I saw
a chance
that.
to meet with Jason and Ashley.
That's right.
And I actually got to go to a dealership and
Witness.
Hey, I'm a witness
Right.
and see the excitement that was just being generated by the salespeople, by all the functionality that the app could help them
Right.
enhance their business, and then just when I saw the number of reviews just astronomically climb at all these dealerships. I mean, not just one or two reviews.
And that's only one feature that it does, guy, right? So talk a little bit about the app, because you integrate it, and, you know, what it does is it changes the culture of the store, right?
Absolutely.
Accountability, what it does, and personal branding, which is
Right.
what we talked about, is building a brand within a brand, right?
Correct.
We're going to talk about that at the conference. We're going to teach people how to do personal branding within a brand, like Mitsubishi, Brooklyn
Right.
Mitsubishi, and then you have El Patronn, all combined in one. That's what the app does. So it allows people, guys, to brand yourself, right? Use the marketing money towards yourself, because this is where the industry's going.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
I agree totally, because the dealership's got to build its brand, and then now you're empowering your salespeople to go out and build their brand.
Correct.
So they because let's face it, when you're selling cars at a dealership, you basically the dealer's giving you millions and millions and millions of dollars of inventory, and you've got access to that inventory. Now you can go build your business within their business.
That's right. Well, listen, we're happy that you're one of our presidents out of Atlanta, and you're making some headway. So there's a lot of people calling me, and asking who's Blake, and I tell them a little about the story. So we got big plans for 2019. I know you're pushing, and you even got out of a comfort zone yourself, right? You started doing videos yourself.
I did with the coaching of some very very good people on our team.
Was it uncomfortable?
It wasn't first, but now once you do it a few times, it's just like swimming in a pool.
That's right. It's like riding a bike, guys. So I was that was one of my fears was how am I gonna look? How's people gonna say? Whatever. Now I do Facebook Lives in the back seat of my car. So that's how comfortable we are. But this is what we're going to talk about at the conference, guys. Get uncomfortable for 2019 and let it be your best year ever, man. This is just the beginning. Like I said, we're just scratching the surface. He's one of our presidents for the next Excel app, and we got a huge announcement at the conference, right?
A huge announcement.
So we got a big announcement for the conference.
And one last thing, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result every time.
That's Tony Robbins, yeah.
And that's why you need to come to the conference, because you may learn something new.
Oh, you're definitely going to learn something new.
You're definitely going to learn something new.
If you take one thing out of that conference, it pays for itself, guys. So we're going to feed you guys. All right, you got the cocktail hour, so it's going to be pumped. I'm super excited. I'm looking to put up a good show.
Plus, you get to come to New York.
And you get to come to New York on top of it. So
yeah.
It could be nice and cold, but why not? We're going to finish the year with a bang. So thanks for being on the show.
Hey, thank you.
I really appreciate it. All right, guys. Mr. Blake, all right? He's in Brooklyn. So check us out. Click the link below. If you want to come to the conference, call us. If you want a group discount, not a problem. Call Blake. We'll make it happen. All right? Peace.